How to delete a Microsoft account permanently. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Now, there's technically two ways to delete a Microsoft account. You can either convert your current profile to a local one, which removes the Microsoft link, or completely delete a secondary account user from the PC. So what you want to firstly do is I'm going to go over and right click my Windows icon, go over to settings. Now, once I'm here, go over and find accounts, then go over to your info. Once I'm in more your info, go over to accounts right here or account settings, but it's also going to say Microsoft account, sign in with a local account instead. Go ahead and click on that. And then it says, are you sure you want to switch to a local account? And then basically just go ahead and click next, enter a new username, and then you're just going to be able to sign out of your current one. And that's it. It's going to be removed. Now, if you want to completely delete a secondary account, you have to log in as the administrator, then go to settings, accounts again, and then what you want to find is the other users section. Go ahead and find that and then find the account you want to remove. Click the arrow next to it to expand options and then just click remove and then you'll be good to go.